Gotta fight the traffic to get out of Oaxaca. It's a big city. Couldn't get Ride with GPS synced up with my Garmin, so I'm using Google Maps to kind of navigate my way for now. So there's a bike route in the middle that I opted for instead of the busy street, but there's a lot of people traffic, which is okay. People and dogs. Vultures. There must be something dead down there. Sorry to disturb you guys. You'll be okay. So Google Maps has had me on this dirt road, which is fine for my gravel bike. A little bit slow going. Only the second bike rider I've seen on the track. Buenos dias. So I found a place for breakfast here in this little town I don't even know the name of. El Sazón de Lucy. I arrived in Mitla early in the afternoon, allowing plenty of time for sightseeing. So the view from the hostel I'm staying at, it's right on, directly on the ruins. And then the El Museo is allá.
Museo es en el centro.
Oh, okay.
Sí.
So es parte de las ruinas?
Sí, es parte de las ruinas. Es otra ruina, abajo.
Oh, okay.
Arriba está el Calvario. Calvario le decimos.
Okay.
Una iglesia.
Oh. ¿Esta iglesia es
iglesia.
Con los españoles?
Zapotecos.
Zapotecos?
Zapotecos.
Okay.
Sí.
A quick tour of this and then I'll try and find the museum. Steep stairs. Wow. Nice ceiling. So I understand that this place was actually still in use at the time the Spaniards came. Had a cold shower this morning. So I'm invigorated, ready to go. Leaving Mitla this morning, it's about 7:05. Hopefully I'm going to try to make it to San Pedro y San Pablo Ayunta. Should be about 50 kilometers, I believe. Moo! Good morning. Finished a pretty long climb of at least 5 or 6 miles. And now I'm going downhill. As you can see, I'm up in the mountains. ¿Tienes huevos o qué tienes?
Sí, mire, tengo salsa de huevo, de queso, tengo tasajo, chuleta, cecina, chorizo, memelitas, quesadillas, caldo de pollo.
Oh, bueno. So, quesadillas y café y jugo de naranja. ¿Tienes jugo?
Tengo café.
Café, ok.
Ajá.
Café y quesadillas.
Quesadillas también.
Sí, y huevos.
¿Quiere quesadillas?
Sí, quesadillas
Ajá.
y huevos. There's the little dog. I met these convivial gentlemen who were curious about what I was up to with the bike. They talked up their little pueblo for its tourist attractions and offered to put me up and show me around. I declined because it was too early in the day. They did show me their mezcal operation, though. Very impressive. Buenos dias.
Quiere conocer. Dice que viene. ¿Cuántas millas dice?
Hoy,
Ajá.
21 millas.
Ajá. 21
Hoy.
millas dice. Hoy. ¿En bicicleta viene?
En bicicleta, pero estoy en camino desde Oaxaca. Ayer desde Oaxaca a Mitla.
¿Qué parte de California es usted?
California? No.
¿Japón? No.
Estoy de Colorado, Estados Unidos.
Estados Unidos.
Sí. So, ¿cómo se llama este pueblo?
Santa María.
Santa María.
No, pues ahí que le enseña cómo se hace el proceso.
Oh, yeah.
¿Quieres saber? Digo,
The proceso for making mezcal.
ahí cae el mezcal, mire. Sí,
Oh, okay.
viene ahí, mire.
When I finally rolled into San Pedro y San Pablo Ayunta, I found an excellent hotel, Hotel Bosque. Buenos dias from my hotel room in Hotel del Bosque. I've got a climb coming up where it says I'm going to gain 1,700 more feet. So the elevation here is about 6,300 feet. So if I get up to 1,700 more feet, that means I'll be at 8,000 feet. Well, a little bit rougher road, mostly going downhill, but lost the pavement, which is fine. This is San Isidro. I've been coming downhill harshly. Just gonna check my altimeter to see where I'm at now. Looks like I'm about 3,500 feet. I was as high as 8,000 feet. I saw this nice looking little waterfall here, so I decided to stop, take a little break. There's a sign that said that they sell gasoline here, so I'm filling up my little bottle for my stove in case I camp tonight. They gave me some agua. And they have niños. So 7 kilometers?
8 a 9 kilómetros.
9. Okay.
¿Sí? ¿Gustas
Gracias.
una fruta?
Oh, sí. Muchas gracias.
Cómelo, Adela.
Okay.
Descansa.
Good morning from my very basic room here. It only cost 150 pesos, which is about $8. The next 2 days featured 2 campouts, including a 10-mile hike-a-bike up and down very steep trails, and sleeping out the second night and then having a forest fire chasing me out of my campsite.